We always have a huge selection of trucks at Classic Auto Mall, like this 1960 Ford F100 Flareside pickup with a 302 cubic inch V8, Edelbrock intake, and Holley 4-barrel carburetor. It has a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive and a Ford 9-inch rear. The bed features wood floorboards with a cedar storage box. It has a clean interior with a black and gray bench seat and door panels to complement the exterior, plus a polished metal gauge cluster in the dash. See tons of pictures and get all the details at classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.